Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's story is a huge one of those rare collaborations that actually reshapes how businesses, AI, and enterprise software will work together. Salesforce and OpenAI have just expanded their strategic partnership, bringing together Salesforce's Agentforce 360 platform and OpenAI's most advanced frontier models, including GPT-5, right into ChatGPT, Slack, and Salesforce's own ecosystem. This isn't just a new integration, it's a full-blown transformation of enterprise AI workflows, sales, and even e-commerce. Before we go deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. So here's what's happening. Salesforce and OpenAI are teaming up to merge Agentforce 360, Salesforce's new AI-driven enterprise platform, directly into ChatGPT. That means users can now query their sales records, review customer conversations, and even build Tableau visualizations all inside ChatGPT just by typing natural language prompts. You don't have to log into a CRM or switch tabs. It's like having your entire Salesforce data layer right there inside your ChatGPT window. And this partnership doesn't stop at data access. Businesses will also be able to use OpenAI's GPT-5, the latest frontier model, to build AI agents and custom prompts directly within the Salesforce platform. In other words, OpenAI's brain meets Salesforce's enterprise muscle. Mark Benioff, the CEO of Salesforce, summed it up perfectly. He said, "By uniting the world's leading frontier AI with the world's #1 AI CRM, we're creating the trusted foundation for companies to become agentic enterprises." That term, agentic enterprises, is key here. Salesforce is basically betting that every company will soon have intelligent agents running their operations, handling customer queries, processing data, generating insights, and even managing transactions autonomously. Now let's talk about Agentforce 360 because it's central to this partnership. The platform officially launched globally this week, and it's designed to create, deploy, and manage AI agents across entire organizations. It combines reasoning models, voice capabilities, multimodal AI, and secure enterprise infrastructure. Think of it as the nervous system connecting AI models like GPT-5 and Claude with business data and workflows. The OpenAI partnership makes this even more powerful. For the first time, companies can access Salesforce's Agentforce 360 right inside ChatGPT. You can interact with your CRM data, run Tableau visualizations, and even generate prompts for your own AI agents. Salesforce says this will roll out in stages. The Agentforce 360 apps and Agentforce Commerce integrations for ChatGPT are coming in the next few months, but ChatGPT and Codex features for Slack are already live. And here's where things get really interesting. The integration also includes a new instant checkout feature built on the Agentic Commerce Protocol, powered by Stripe. That means merchants using Salesforce's Agentforce Commerce can now list their products directly in ChatGPT, where users can browse, add to cart, and check out instantly, all without leaving the chat. Imagine a business selling hiking boots. They can showcase their catalog right in ChatGPT, process payments securely, and handle fulfillment, all while maintaining full control over customer data and relationships. Salesforce says this feature could reach millions of US consumers, effectively turning ChatGPT into a new digital storefront for enterprise commerce. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, described the partnership as a way to make the tools people use every day work better together, so work feels more natural and connected. He said this is a big step toward making AI truly useful in daily workflows. The partnership isn't just about sales or commerce either, it extends across the entire enterprise stack. Slack is a big part of this rollout. Inside Slack, ChatGPT and Codex integrations will help teams summarize conversations, draft content, and automate code tasks using simple natural language commands. You can literally tag the Codex agent in a Slack channel to debug code or generate new scripts. Slack is also getting enhanced search that taps into enterprise knowledge, so if your company uses Salesforce data, ChatGPT can now search that context directly from within Slack. And for enterprise applications, Salesforce is embedding OpenAI's reasoning, voice, and multimodal models directly into Agentforce 360 through its Atlas reasoning engine and prompt builder. So if you're building AI workflows for sales, support, or analytics, you can now choose OpenAI's GPT-5 as the default model inside Salesforce. These features bring improved context awareness, faster analysis, and more natural conversations between employees, customers, and AI systems. But here's where it gets even bigger. Salesforce is also partnering with Anthropic alongside OpenAI. Anthropic's Claude family of models, including Claude 3.5, is being integrated into the Agentforce 360 platform too. That means Salesforce users, especially in regulated industries like finance, healthcare, and cybersecurity, will get access to Claude through Salesforce's secure virtual private cloud environment. Anthropic's traffic will stay entirely inside Salesforce's infrastructure, a first for any large language model provider. Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, said it clearly: regulated industries need frontier AI capabilities, but they also need the appropriate safeguards before they can deploy in sensitive systems. We've built Claude to deliver both the performance and the safeguards. So now, Salesforce is becoming a hub where businesses can choose between GPT-5 or Claude, depending on their needs. OpenAI handles the broad general reasoning and multimodal use cases, while Claude focuses on compliance-heavy, sensitive environments. It's an incredibly strategic move. Salesforce is turning itself into the Switzerland of enterprise AI, offering access to multiple frontier models under one secure umbrella. The Agentforce 360 suite itself is also expanding. It already includes over half a dozen automation tools, from ad campaign builders to internal workflow assistants. The new integrations make those tools more powerful by combining Salesforce data with AI reasoning directly in ChatGPT. For instance, a contact center manager can now ask ChatGPT to summarize all support requests from the past week and get back a clean report with Tableau-style dashboards powered by Salesforce data, all within seconds. Mark Benioff said it's about bringing the same level of intelligence that consumers already experience in ChatGPT to enterprise workflows. His exact words were, "As consumers, we already get instant recommendations or insights from ChatGPT. Now, enterprises can deliver that same intelligence and immediacy." And there's a bigger picture here. This partnership connects ChatGPT's massive user base of hundreds of millions of people with Salesforce's enterprise reach. Salesforce estimates that ChatGPT supports over 800 million weekly users, while Slack handles about 5.2 billion messages every week. That's an enormous amount of real-time data and human interaction, now directly connected to enterprise-grade AI. It's easy to see why OpenAI and Salesforce are calling this a first-of-its-kind partnership. There's also a strong commerce angle. Salesforce's Agentforce Commerce tool, now linked to ChatGPT through the Agentic Commerce Protocol, allows businesses to turn conversations into transactions. Merchants can showcase their catalog, let users browse and buy inside ChatGPT, and handle the entire order and fulfillment flow while maintaining ownership of customer data. For example, a retailer could sell a new line of products in ChatGPT, process orders instantly, and manage fulfillment through Salesforce, all without handing over customer data to a third party. It's e-commerce meets conversational AI, backed by enterprise governance. And Salesforce isn't stopping there. They're also rolling out Claude Code, Anthropic's AI programming assistant, for their own engineers internally. That will help Salesforce developers automate coding and system updates across their infrastructure. Between GPT-5, Claude, ChatGPT, Slack, and Tableau, the goal is clear. Salesforce wants Agentforce 360 to be the central access point for all major AI models and enterprise automation. It's a vision where a single conversational interface can handle everything: sales, analytics, commerce, customer support, and even coding, powered by the combined intelligence of OpenAI and Anthropic. There's also a strategic layer here. Salesforce is positioning itself as the AI operating system for business. The integrations make it nearly impossible for enterprises to separate their daily operations from AI assistance. This partnership also hints at what the next phase of AI adoption looks like. We're moving from isolated tools to multi-surface, agent-driven conversations where every part of your business can talk to every other part. with AI agents orchestrating the flow. And because all of this is happening under Salesforce's trusted enterprise infrastructure, it comes with the compliance, security, and control that businesses demand. So, to recap, here's what's really happening under the hood. OpenAI's GPT-5 and Codex are being deeply integrated into Salesforce's Agentforce 360 platform. Anthropic's Claude models are joining in for secure and regulated use cases. ChatGPT, Slack, and Salesforce are becoming fully interconnected, so users can work, sell, and analyze data from one place. And Instant Checkout, powered by Stripe, is bringing e-commerce directly into ChatGPT conversations. It's a massive leap in the evolution of AI-driven enterprise tools, one that makes everyday workflows faster, smarter, and a lot more connected. That phrase, agentic enterprises, might just define the next era of business. So yeah, this isn't just another tech integration, it's the merging of two ecosystems, the intelligence of OpenAI and the infrastructure of Salesforce. And if it works as promised, it could redefine how every enterprise builds, sells, and operates in the age of AI. That's all for now. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI and tech deep dives, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.